In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically create a series of values in Google Sheets. This technique can be incredibly useful when you're dealing with repetitive data entries, saving you both time and effort. Let's dive in and get started on this practical guide. First, you'll need to open up a Google Sheet. You can do this by navigating to your Google Drive, clicking on New, and selecting Google Sheets. If you already have a specific sheet in mind, feel free to open that directly. Once you're in the spreadsheet, you'll see a grid layout. Each of those small boxes is called a cell, and that's where all your data entries will be made. To begin, you'll want to select a cell on your sheet, so go ahead and click on any cell to activate it. This is where we will start entering our sequence of values. Let's choose cells A1, A2, and A3 for this task. Enter the numbers 1, 2, and 3 in these cells respectively. This initial entry serves as a crucial step as it sets the pattern for the sequence Google Sheets will follow. Next, highlight the cells A1, A2, and A3 by clicking and dragging your cursor over them. Once highlighted, you'll see a small blue square at the bottom right corner of your selection. This is known as the fill handle, and it allows you to quickly extend your sequence. Click on this fill handle and drag it down until you reach cell A10. As you do this, you'll notice that Google Sheets automatically fills in the sequence for you. Now, let's explore another quick way to generate sequences. Move over to cell B1 and enter the formula. Equal, open parenthesis, sequence, open parenthesis, 10, 1, 1, then close the parentheses. This formula is powerful because it generates a sequence of numbers automatically. The arguments in the formula specify the number of rows, columns, the starting point, and the increment. After typing the formula, hit the Enter key, and you should see numbers from 1 to 10 appearing down column B. This method utilizes Google Sheets' inbuilt capability to automate sequences efficiently. For an alternative approach, click on cell C1 and type in the formula. Equal, row, open parenthesis, B1, close parenthesis. The row function returns the row number of the referred cell. Hitting enter will give you the row number in that position. Finally, let's use the autofill feature. After you enter the formula, click on the small blue square and drag it down the column. This allows the pattern or calculation to be copied down quickly. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to automatically create sequences in Google Sheets. I hope this guide helps streamline your workflows. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful tips.